One of TJR's last video, um, I showed you the possible trade entries you could have gotten. Um, but of course, we'll start on the monthly. Bang, bang, bang. Let me turn this off for as long as the monthly's up or daily stuff is. So the monthly, bullish, having a slight pullback. I think we do continue higher. If not, we just go back into this order block. For the weekly, we swept out weekly liquidity, so it is possible to go higher just from this alone. And we are in that gap area for the weekly. If we go to the daily, which I'm actually going to leave some stuff charted out, it is Tuesday. Today's trading session was Tuesday. So, just going to mark the high because that's all that played out today. You can see on the daily though, we are in a market structure shift and we have, well, daily bias is bearish. 4 hour, 1 hour, I don't really do my analysis on that. I just mark up the key levels and then go to the 1 minute. And this is what TJR uses. You could see I marked the daily and TJR just made a video. So what happens is it goes above the daily, previous daily's high. And what happens is this is an inverse fair value gap. Boom. What happens is we fill this fair value gap, we touch into this inverse gap after we sweep technically the daily high. What does that give a hold for? Give us for a short opportunity. Where would you target? Points of interest. So there's a bunch of interests. There's low of day after 6:30, session lows, which would be all the way down here, which are, well, that's like almost 200 points, but we don't reach into that, and we just reach low of day. Should be right here. And if you ever need like text on what I'm saying, LOD is low of day, and then this is daily high. Previous day's high, so previous day's high. And you can see just by this inverse fair value gap, after it sweeps a key level, it goes lower. You could have also used London Sesh, but it didn't really hit any key levels, I would say. So London Sesh happened. Then you get a market structure shift. This is your breaker. It breaks above the breaker, but you have this whole order block now. It keeps dropping and dropping, but depending on my risk, I wouldn't have wanted to trim until, well, low of day. But if you did catch the previous day highs, this was a strat. And for the people that stumble upon this, I'm probably gonna do videos on exposing, like, not exposing, but showing what the guru people are teaching, even though I'm Mr. Guru and eventually it's gonna turn into one. I will make a lot of this content free, and I'd keep it posted so you could just scroll all the way down, depending on how many videos I have, and boom. It's as simple as that. But that was the trade for today. Your previous day highs, and you just target low of days, which was 93 points. Depending on how much contracts you're using, 1, 10, 100, 1,000, you made, this is a great trade, like 1 to 4.57 on futures.